After the numbering of the people, a matter arose in Israel, a request that would shape the inheritance of generations to come. Then the daughters of Zelophehad, the son of Hepher, the son of Gilead, the son of Mashir, the son of Manasseh, of the families of Manasseh, the son of Joseph, came forward. And these are the names of his daughters: Mahlah, Noah, Hoglah, Milcah, and Tirzah. And they stood before Moses, and before Eleazar the priest, and before the leaders of the congregation, even before all the assembly of Israel. And they spake, saying,
Our father died in the wilderness, yet he was not among the company of them that gathered themselves together against the Lord in the company of Korah, but he died in his own sin, and he had no sons. Wherefore should the name of our father be done away from among his family, because he hath no son? Give unto us therefore a possession among the brethren of our father.
And Moses brought their cause before the Lord. And the Lord spake unto Moses, saying,
The daughters of Zelophehad speak right. Thou shalt surely give them a possession of an inheritance among their father's brethren, and thou shalt cause the inheritance of their father to pass unto them. And thou shalt speak unto the children of Israel, saying, If a man die and have no son, then ye shall cause his inheritance to pass unto his daughter. And if he have no daughter, then ye shall give his inheritance unto his brethren. And if he have no brethren, then ye shall give his inheritance unto his father's brethren. And if his father have no brethren, then ye shall give his inheritance unto his kinsman, that is next to him of his family. And he shall possess it. And it shall be unto the children of Israel a statute of judgment, as the Lord commanded Moses.
And the Lord said unto Moses,
Go up to this mountain of Abarim, and behold the land which I have given unto the children of Israel. And when thou hast seen it, thou also shalt be gathered unto thy people, as Aaron thy brother was gathered. For ye rebelled against my commandment in the desert of Zin, in the strife of the congregation, to sanctify me at the water before their eyes. That is the water of Meribah in Kadesh, in the wilderness of Zin.
And Moses spake unto the Lord, saying,
Let the Lord, the God of the spirits of all flesh, set a man over the congregation, which may go out before them, and which may go in before them, and which may lead them out, and which may bring them in, that the congregation of the Lord be not as sheep which have no shepherd.
And the Lord said unto Moses,
Take thee Joshua the son of Nun, a man in whom is the Spirit, and lay thine hand upon him, and set him before Eleazar the priest, and before all the congregation, and give him a charge in their sight. And thou shalt put some of thine honor upon him, that all the congregation of the children of Israel may be obedient. And he shall stand before Eleazar the priest, who shall ask counsel for him after the judgment of Urim before the Lord. At his word shall they go out, and at his word they shall come in. both he and all the children of Israel with him, even all the congregation.
And Moses did as the Lord commanded him. And he took Joshua and set him before Eleazar the priest, and before all the congregation. And he laid his hands upon him, and gave him a charge, as the Lord commanded by the hand of Moses. And Moses looked upon the people of Israel, even the congregation which the Lord had led through the wilderness. And he remembered their journey, from the land of Egypt even unto this day. Through trials and through mercies, the Lord had preserved them. And Joshua stood among them, a servant now made a leader before the people. And the people beheld him, and knew that the hand of the Lord was upon him. And he would lead them forth, even as Moses had done before him. And the word of the Lord stood sure, and his commandment was established among Israel. And the people remained, awaiting the promise that was set before them. For the Lord is faithful in all his ways, and his purposes stand from generation to generation. And thus was the charge given, and the leadership established among the children of Israel. And Moses, the servant of the Lord, stood yet among them, beholding the people whom he had led. And the years of his labor were fulfilled, and his journey drew near its end. Yet the people would go on, and the promise would stand sure before them. For the Lord changeth not, and his word endureth forever. And the camp of Israel dwelt in stillness, beneath the open heavens of the wilderness. And no voice was lifted, save the whisper of the wind upon the earth. For the Lord had spoken, and his word remained among them. And the people waited for the days that were yet to come.